I got you, Keikos. I have now attached a ribbon to the bottom of the ladder, and Keikos is trying to undo it. It's going to be her mission in life to get this ribbon undone so she can push the ladder off the rung. She is one smart bird, and I wouldn't doubt that by the end of this evening she's going to have that ribbon undone. Oh my God, she's already got one loop undone. Holy cow. Keikos, you are like friggin' Houdini, for crying out loud. Oh my God. Go ahead, finish the rest. Unbelievable. Oh my God, I don't believe it! I don't believe it. I don't believe it! You are one smart bird. It took her 4 or 5 minutes. Good going, Cake.